In this video, I'm going to cover how to use Bollinger Bands, and this is going to be for beginners. My name is Andre McLennan. Let's begin. So our first thing we need to do is open up the terminal and go to the meta quotes, or click this button right here. We're going to create this thing called a new expert advisor. Hit next. We're going to call this Bollinger Bands, or just BB. Now, Bollinger Bands can be used in a lot of ways. In this example, we're going to just use a very simple thing for beginners, and we can make it a little bit more complex as I keep creating more videos. But when creating a Bollinger Band, there's three parts of the Bollinger Band. There's the upper, the middle, and the lower. Okay, so we're going to use this right here, double. We're going to call this Bollinger Band upper. Now we're going to make the upper part of the we're going to get the value for the upper part of the Bollinger Band. Okay, we're going to call this I bands. Now, if you guys want to know how to program the Bollinger Bands and give you guys a reference, this is how it looks, and you guys can get this code right here for I bands right here. And here's your time frame, and this is the important part here. Mode main 0, 1 is upper, and 2 is lower. Okay? So this is going to be upper. We're going to use null, and that's going to work on all currency pairs. Our time frame is going to be 0. 0 is going to be the default. So if it goes to the 5 minute or the 5 minute, 30 minute, 1 hour, it'll change automatically. Our period will be 20. Our deviation. So basically, when we look at the Bollinger Band, you'll be able to show how far it is away from the main, and that's going to be the deviation. We're going to do a standard deviation of just 2.0. We're not going to do any shift in this video. Applied price, we're going to do the close. Now, if you don't know what that means, let's go back to here. Applied price. You can use the close price, the open price, the low. And if you use the close price on the current candle, it's basically like the ask price. We get this back here. That's our price close. Our mode, this would be upper, so it's going to be a 1. Our shift will be 0. And that's our Bollinger Band upper. Our next thing will be Bollinger Band main, or the middle. And that's going to be, this one has to be different. It's going to be 0. And we're going to copy the exact same thing and call this one lower. Okay? And this one has to be changed to 2. So once we have that done, if we go back over here and look at, and how do we get a readout on this? We can do comment. And what we're going to do is do a string from here. And our upper value, we hit upper. This one will be main. Give it some space a little bit. And we're going to do a lower one. So on the top left-hand corner on our strategy tester, we'll be able to see the values change in the corner of how it looks, to show you how to get some visualization of it. And also, I'll let you guys put it on the strategy tester so you guys can see. So this is our basic I bands or Bollinger Bands. Hit compile, make sure it's all clear. Now you guys can change the values to whatever you like, and the code would be my website also. When it comes to this, we go back to our terminal. We go to change our strategy tester to Bollinger Bands or BB. We're using pound again, and all we have to do is hit start. Now if you guys want to look at it visually, what we can do is just go to Bollinger Bands and add it to the chart. 20, deviation 2.0, apply it to the close. Pretty much default settings. So this is how the Bollinger Band looks. I'll move it so you guys can see a little bit easier. If you guys want to change the color of the screen, just go to Properties, just right click the screen or hit F8. And you can see that we have our trade out. And if we look at the Bollinger Bands right here, it says the upper, the middle. See how the upper is higher? It's 155.858. This the middle or the main 155.734, and the lower is 155.609. Now we go through here. We can get the exact same values. See? Upper, middle, main, and that's for the Bollinger Band. So we can hit play, and you can see that it just follows it and reads it up here. Now this is a very simple way of using Bollinger Bands, not using any other indicators with it. But if any questions or comments, guys, let me know in the comment section below, or join the Telegram or Discord, and we can talk there. So please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.